Updating a story we first brought you on Fox 10 News at 4. Alabama's looking into the possibility of temporary pop-up medical facilities if hospitals can't handle new coronavirus cases. Fox 10 News investigative reporter Brendan Kirby is here with more on this. Brendan?
Byron, state health officials say they aren't ready to pull the trigger on this yet, but they are planning for the possibility. Today, Alabama hospitals reported 1,595 COVID-19 patients. Alabama Hospital Association President Dr. Don Williamson says that including all hospitalizations for any reason, about 6,300 of 9,000 adult medical beds statewide are occupied. All but about 190 intensive care unit beds are filled as well. Williamson tells me hospitals still have the ability to increase capacity within their facilities, which he says is preferable to temporary facilities off-site because of the logistical challenges. Turning on a pop-up facility would take about 2 weeks and likely would care for non-COVID patients, he says. But Williamson adds that beds and equipment like ventilators are not his biggest worries.
Beds are not the problem. The problem is staff. Talking with hospitals yesterday, the overwhelming problem that we're facing is a serious nursing shortage. COVID patients require more intensive care than do some other types of patients. So,
Dr. Jean Marazzo of the University of Alabama at Birmingham said during a Facebook Live session sponsored by Senator Doug Jones that healthcare facilities are close to capacity and that some hospitals would be stretched significantly in the event of an accident that sent large numbers of people to the emergency room.
The availability of those beds right now is threatened. It is not, it's not compromised yet. But again, I want to come back to this concept of if we don't get our hands around this and continue to really take care, it could be compromised, and it really is very worrisome.
Public health officials say that the key to preserving hospital capacity is to cut transmission of the disease in the community. Reporting live for Fox 10 News, this is Brendan Kirby.